Welcome back to the channel. Hey, thank you for tuning in to another amazing video. So we are so excited that we have received so much support and love from you guys. Here at the P.E Spot, we just surpassed our 200 subscriber milestone. We're actually at live right now, 212. So we thank you from the bottom of our hearts for all of your guys' love and support for this channel. We created the P.E Spot as an opportunity to create these do-it-yourself game activities for you to do at home during summer and throughout distance learning. And we are not stopping. We are not slowing down because we know that there's gonna be a lot of students that need some activities to stay active. So Jordan and I are taking the initiative to continue moving forward. And because of that love and the support that you have given us, we are gonna do a fitness challenge for you guys because we thank you guys and we appreciate all of your love and support. So today, Mr. Garcia is gonna do 212 seconds of planking, okay? And Jordan is going to do 30 crisscrosses. So stay tuned and we'll go and demonstrate those activities in just a moment. Here we go, Jordan. 30 seconds of crisscrosses. Ready, set, go. All right, here we go. So for our 212 subscribers, I'm going to plank for a total of 3 minutes and 32 seconds. All right, so here we go. Start again.
3, 2, 1, and go.
So I have 2 minutes and 18 seconds left. I do this because I love you guys. Appreciate the support, everything that you're doing for our channel, keeping kids active, staying focused, and moving. All right, 123 left. 123 left. All right, 10 seconds. And time. Well, we really hope you enjoyed that milestone video for you guys. Again, we appreciate your love, your support that you have for the P.E Spot. We definitely appreciate it, getting kids active and moving throughout these challenging times. So, again, please don't forget to
like, subscribe, and comment.
And again, we appreciate you guys from the bottom of our hearts. Thank you for so much for everything that you're doing for the P.E Spot. As always, at the P.E Spot, the fun never stops. Until next time, take care.